Good Friday morning, everyone. So in the 10-6-23 trade, so this is bouncing all around my price of $1.10. I do expect that this will probably fill, thinning this position here shortly. What I'll probably do is I've got a price out there on this one too. This is XSP. Again, nobody should have a trade open in this. This was just kind of as a test. You can see it's bouncing all over. I mean, it's going from, up $260, and then it'll show up there. It shows up $8,000. Okay, up $4,000, and then it will show that it's down $300. So it is all there, down $700. It is not stable. I am going to close this trade out. I am not going to continue to attempt to trade this. And I just wanted to share this with everyone so that they can see this. It was a great question that was asked about, well, should we trade XSP? Seemed logical, but it looks like it's almost kind of like trading the NDX, the large index for the NASDAQ. It just isn't stable enough with consistent enough bid-ask spreads to be comfortable for me trading it. And particularly when you have, more sizable market moves like we're having today, the bid-ask spreads even get wider at that point. So I'm going to go ahead and, again, whenever this hits, or even maybe before this hits, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the plug on this experiment, and we'll call this myth of being able to trade XSP, we're going to call that busted. I don't consider it to be a stable product for my use. Of course, every trader can make their own decisions on that. So, and again, this one is set to have a couple of these stripped out here very soon. Again, I think my order is out there for $1.10, and I put that out as a GTC order. Once that GTC order fills, I will update people and I'll float a new GTC order. This thing's hitting 20%, so we'll see how the market moves during the course of the day, but it's not out of the question that I will pull the plug on this entire trade today. And then, of course, we've got Apple, and we'll see going into the end of the day. I believe I'll count up the results right now. Or I should say last night. Some other people responded overnight that I haven't looked at yet. But as of last night, the go-to plan that people liked for Apple was selling calls against it, and also, I believe, the option number 2, buying put protection. But we'll see. We'll take a look and see what those other results were that came in, and I will follow that plan accordingly as we get later in the day here. So that's kind of where we're at here this Friday morning. Again, I expect this one to thin soon. May pull the plug on it totally by the end of the day. This one right here, I am going to put an order out to just pull the plug, close this trade down. I just don't trust XSP. That's it for now.